Go Tripping, and I'm back with another video. Today I got my premium box. You receive 6 products, and I do believe you can choose two products out of there. We're not gonna make this video long at all. You guys work with me, bear with me. I'm trying to shorten these videos up, so we just gonna do just that. So if you guys are interested in seeing what I got in my box for the month of September from Boxycharm, yeah, keep on watching. So this is the premium box. I made sure to take all the packaging out. We don't need all of that. I took them out to get them ready so I can show you guys, because it takes some time. So this is the premium box right here. All right, again, it's $35 a month, and we're gonna hop into it. You guys know what's up. This is the card, and I guess this month's theme is BTS. I don't know if it's back to school, behind the scenes, I don't know. So I'm gonna just say the BTS, and it has a whole bunch of makeup. So I really don't know, I'm not sure. You guys also know that they got the pricing and stuff on the back and the name of the product that I'm gonna be reading to you guys. So the first thing we're gonna get off into is the Fenty Beauty, honey. This is the Fenty Beauty Snap Shadow Mix and Match Eyeshadow Palette. Here it is right here. This is the box that it came in. I was very happy to receive this. Okay, so here's the little packaging, y'all. Very cute. It's a little lightweight, not too heavy. Let me try to open it up. There she goes right here. And it does have a mirror right here. But look at those shades. Yeah, I'm working on getting some better lighting, okay? I'm working on it. Bear with me, please. So there's the shades. Very beautiful palette. Get up out of here. So I'm gonna swatch a couple of them for y'all. I wanna do this one. Okay. Very pigmented. Y'all better quit playing. Okay, then I'm gonna do the purple. I'm not sure if they had like any names, but I'm sure they do on them. Yes, they do. They got them on the back. So we're gonna swatch that one. Beautiful. And then we're gonna go in with this pinky rosy shimmer color right there. Get off into it. Very beautiful. So this is a 6-pan eyeshadow, and let me see. This is going for $25. So this is going for 25 bucks. Very beautiful. Very chic. Y'all let me know what y'all think about that Fenty. Okay, so there's the first product. Again, that's $25. The next product we are going to dive into is the Mercier. Now, I did choose this. This is a cleanser. It is a cleanser. Right here. Okay, and this right here is going for $30. It says it's a foaming cleanser that gently yet effectively removes makeup, dirt, and excess, all without stripping skin of the essential moisture, period. So yeah, that's $30. We definitely doing that. We definitely down for that. So there's that. The Herbivore Botanicals. Now, I didn't choose this. I chose the Fenty and the Mercier. Here is the Herbivore Botanicals. And this right here is going for $48. It says a truly natural mask that gently clarifies skin with BHAs from white willow bark, fruit enzymes, along with aloe and blue tansy essentials oils to soothe the appearance of redness and irritation. So I'm definitely gonna try that. Like, you know what? It's like I can only complain so much. It doesn't do me any good because I continue to get facial products, which I'm finding good use to them. So I'm just gonna embrace it, try it, and if I don't like it, I don't like it. It is what it is. So This is that. Let me show y'all. It's kind of, it has like a, oh, it's a vape. It's kind of got like a vape rub type of smell. It's really strong, but there it is. Like that. So that is that. Again, that is going for $48. And next on the list, we have our Beauty Bakery Milk and Honey. Now this right here, I was very, very excited to get. This is, come on, look at this. Look at the details, y'all. This is so beautiful. So, so, so beautiful. Okay. I did swatch it earlier. Check that out. The Beauty Bakery Milk and Honey Highlight Palette is going for $38. And it says, so creamy you don't need butter. You'll be all the sugar after your milk that glow with the silky smooth milk and honey highlighter. Grab your bakeware and strobe, mix and layer in abundance. So there's that right there. And I'm definitely gonna be swatching these. Let me swatch it on my wrist right here. So there's milk and honey. This is the pink one right here. You can't really see it. My lighting is jacked up. We're gonna do Queen Bee. We're gonna do Queen Bee, and this is this color right here. I'm gonna swatch it on the other hand, on the back of right here. I mean, very pretty. It's not, this light is so, you can't really see it. So there's the Queen Bee. We're gonna do Oh Honey, which is the Oh Honey is gonna be the pink shade right here. So there's Oh Honey. And then next we are going off into these colors right here. The Spoiler Alert, which is right here. And then we're gonna go off into Be Sweet, which is right here. And look how they got the little details in there for Be Sweet. It's so cute. So let me wipe my hands. Do this one right here. Right next to that one. Gorgeous. And then we're gonna do the milk or the Be Sweet. Gorgeous. I mean, that's just beautiful. I know the lighting sucks, y'all. Bear with me. I'm coming with the lighting. So gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. I didn't put any highlighter on, but I'm gonna definitely dip off into this. I'm gonna do Spoiler Alert right here. Y'all don't get me started with the glow. Y'all, you know I like to be glowy, okay? Gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. And we just for the fun of it, we finna dip off into Be Sweet. I'm finna, look at that, look at that. I know, it's glowy, look at that. So yeah, I'm done. I'll be on this palette all day. So that was the Beauty Bakery Milk and Honey Highlighter palette. That was the Beauty Bakery Milk and Honey Highlighting Palette. And again, that is going for $38. I definitely paid $38 for this. I really would. If I like something, you guys, not true enough, they be having high price items, but if I like something enough, I'm gonna buy it. And that's just that on that. And this is one of the items that I definitely would pay $40 for. So boom, that's that. All right, next we are going into the Complex Culture Beauty Sonic T-Bar Facial Massager. All right, so next we have the Complex Culture Beauty Sonic T-Bar Facial Massager, which is right here. I already took it out of everything. So here's this, you guys. And what this is let me just read to you guys. I did receive something like this in Ipsy, but it was like circle. The Sonic Power Tool delivers a modern facial massage to increase blood flow, reduces puffiness, relieves facial tension, and help tone facial contours. Give yourself the daily luxury of an at-home massage to temporarily smooth and sculpt skin, rejuvenate and sculpt your skin in just a matter of minutes whenever you can squeeze it into your routine. This is going for $58. So this is that you put the battery in down here. Let me go get my other one that I got. I'll show y'all how it goes too, I think, right here. And I have been using this, and it just massages, and this is the same thing. I do believe it's the same thing. So, and what I do is I take it, you know, hold your skin, and it actually feels pretty good. I threw a fit about this one when it came in the Luxie box, and I'm like, it's not makeup, but it actually is really, really, it's awesome, because I definitely would, this wouldn't be anything that I would just go buy with my own money, to be honest with you, something like this. So this is the same thing, okay? So it's gonna definitely get put to use. This stays in my bathroom and we all use it. And it definitely makes the face feel rejuvenated and good. And like they say, it increases the blood flow. And just, and you can also put, what I do when I'm cleansing my face with cleansers and scrubs and stuff, you can also use it with, I use it with that. You know what I mean? Never failed me. So this is that, again, Complex Culture Beauty Sonic T-Bar Facial thingy, and that is going for $58. Our last item in the box is the Hey Honey Trick or Treat Berry Lip Balm with a natural tint. Now, you guys, I'm not, you know, lip balms is just not my thing, but I did try some on earlier, and it made my lips feel pretty good. I'm gonna put some over what I got on. It smells kind of funny, but it did make my, okay. Give me a minute. So I swallow the juices of it. Here it is right here. This is the Hey Honey Trick and Treat Lip Balm, and it's in Berry Balm with natural tint. And that right there is going for $23. It says a berry lip balm formulated with rich, I'm not even finna read. I'm sorry, I'm just not gonna do it. Lip balm just not my thing. I'm not excited about this. This is going for $23. I wouldn't never pay $23 for a lip balm. So, well, at least not this one. So that is that, you guys. That is the box. That is it. I'm very excited about all my products. I think the most favorite product of mine, the most favorite product would be, Jesus, y'all just don't know what it takes when we be doing these videos, I swear. It's like you be on repeat, you be stuttering, you... Anyhow, my favorite product in the box was this Milk and Honey Highlighting Palette from Beauty Bakery. I absolutely love it. I think it's gonna go wonderful with my products that I received from the Beauty Bakery box that I just got. So this is my favorite product. And then the least favorite product of mine would definitely be the lip balm. So this is that. Let me get you guys a full total of these products, and I'm gonna be right back. Give me a minute. I'll be right back. So all in all, you guys, what we didn't have to spend was $222. So $222 worth of products. I think that the box wasn't bad. I could have went without the lip balm and the little T-bar thing, you know, because y'all know I just prefer makeup. I definitely think I'm gonna enjoy the Lord Mercier cleanser. I'm definitely gonna put this to use, and I'm fine with getting this. Again, I did choose this, so all the, I don't know. Let me see, how many makeup products did we get? We got the Milk and Honey and the Fenty Beauty. Like, it just, whatever. We not even finna go there. So that was the box, you guys. That was the premium box for the month of September. You guys, let me know what you think about that box. Let me know what was your favorite product, and let me know what you got in your box. Let's talk down below. I love engaging with y'all. I really, really do. And if you didn't get the box, let me know what products you didn't like, and let me know what you could have went without as well. That is it for this video, you guys. I enjoyed that box. It was a 1 out of 10. If I'm rating that box a 1 out of 10, I would give that box a 7. I give it a 7 for the Fenty and the Hey Honey. So that is it, you guys. I'm done. It's a wrap. It's over. I will see you guys in my next video. If I forgot anything, please charge to the game and on my heart. I thank y'all so much. Thanks for being here. Thank you for rocking with me. Let's talk down below. Let me know what y'all got. And let me know what was y'all satisfied? Was y'all happy? Let's talk. How do you guys feel about that box? So until we meet again, I will see you guys in my next video. I am ego tripping. And I'm out. Bye, y'all.